back to Top Car Detailing. Don't forget, if you like, hit the subscribe button below on our YouTube channel, hit the bell and you'll be notified once our next video goes live. Here we now have a Mercedes C300 in, lots of issues here in the paintwork, so I think maybe we're going to need a two-stage machine polish overall on this car. We've got to sort all the wheels out too, they've got to be coated. What we're looking at now is the severity of defects within the paintwork on this particular car. Lots of issues here. Major paint correction detail on this car. This has also had some sort of ceramic coating on before, and we're having to use a really heavy cut compound, Mercedes C300 at the minute. Obviously trying to cut back the coating on this, and it really is tough on this particular car to get it back, but there again we've got to watch as well. When we do machine polishing, we've got the higher speed as well now with a heavier cut compound, the right pads as well, and to know exactly how far we can actually go once we with the passes and that type of thing, because we want to be doing it in a methodical manner and just doing the machine polishing, getting enough to cut through the ceramic coating to get to the paintwork and lacquer and cut that back a bit as well. Right, so I must crack on. Lots to do on this car, and it's taking longer because of this coating. As I say, lots of issues here. Most importantly again, we need the dust mask on. Get this on now, goggles, headphones, and we've got the fan here as well, so we've got this constantly blowing whilst we're doing the machine polishing, so any fumes or anything like that are getting blown away. Here's the Mercedes C300, now looking like a complete mirror. There's no coating on this car whatsoever at the moment. Now we've had a look at the car, panned round and seen the depth of reflections here in the paintwork. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to crack on. I'm going to apply a ceramic coating to the paint on this car, and then we'll see how it looks afterwards. As I say, very important as well, choosing the right coatings for your vehicle. So if you'd like any further information on that, don't hesitate, give us a call. What we also did with the air diffuser here, machine polished all that up, that's all coated, and the tailpipes as well, and all the plastic trim around the back has been treated. So we did on this car, we had all the wheels off, they're coated too in Gtechniq C5 wheel armour, fronts and backs, treated all the wheel arch internally as well. A three-stage machine polish on this car to get rid of all the heavy swirl marks, scratches in the paintwork, and then bring it back to a mirror finish. And as you can see now, the depth of reflections. as you would have noticed in this video, it was about the coating that was put on this vehicle in the first place. Lots of issues removing it. As I said, there is lots of coating ceramics out there these days, but it's finding the right one for your car is very important. Because what we found too, whilst we were removing that coating, we used lots and lots of pads, because the all coating and what was on there was machine polishing off, was clogging the pads up really bad. So if you want any further advice moving forward for the right coating for your car, don't hesitate, give us a call. Well, thanks once again for watching one of our videos on our YouTube channel. Getting to work on these cars and knowing and understanding about all the polishes, the pads, the machines is very important to turn these cars around, because as we see it time and time again, lots of issues in the paint on different vehicles, and you've got to know exactly what you're doing. So we turn this from a swirl mess back to a mirror finish. If you like any further information moving forward on any coatings for your car, or you're thinking about having it detailed, don't hesitate, give us a call. Check out our website at www.topcardetailing.co.uk. In the meantime, if you like, fill the contact form out on our website. If you'd like to make an inquiry, put all your details in, registration, your phone number, etc., and I shall get back to you soon. Anyhow, I'm going to have to go now. I've got quite a bit to do, and I'll be back soon with another nice car. Catch you later.